Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Fit radiator. First, let's get ready. You'll need some basic tools, including a drain pan, a socket set, and pliers. Always make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work on your vehicle's electrical system. Now, let's drain the coolant. Find the drain plug, often called a petcock valve, at the bottom of your radiator. Position a drain pan directly beneath it to catch all the fluid. Remove the radiator cap, then open the drain plug. This allows the coolant to flow out completely and efficiently. With the coolant drained, it's time to disconnect the other components. Start by removing the clamps and detaching both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Next, locate and unplug the electrical connector for the cooling fan. Finally, unbolt the fan assembly from the radiator itself, carefully setting it aside. You're almost there. Now, remove any remaining bolts holding the radiator mounting brackets in place. Once all connections and fasteners are free, carefully lift the radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as clean as your car will be running. That's it. Your Honda Fit radiator is now removed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.